Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to click on the bell notification so that you will always get notified each time I upload a new video. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comment for me and share. And to my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, thank you so much guys for always and always coming back to support your girl. So guys, I want to officially welcome you all to Vlogmas and also happy new month. We have come this far. Thank you for your love, thank you for your constant support. Please support me throughout this period of Vlogmas. Okay, I'll be uploading every day by God grace, every day from today 1st of December to 21st of December. Please always support me. Okay, support me by liking my video, commenting and also sharing my video. Please always share my video. Okay, support your girl. All right. Today we are making banana bread, not just banana bread, classic banana bread. So here I have my bananas. I'm not going to be using all of this banana. I'll be using 6 out of these bananas because they are small bananas. And here is my milk, my liquid milk, this half cup of milk. I have my 1 egg, medium size egg. And here is my flour, my already sifted flour. Here is my baking powder and also my baking soda. I'm using both baking powder and baking soda for this banana bread. So now I've already mashed my banana. I use my processor to mash my banana, my food processor. So here I will now start mixing my wet ingredients into this banana. So I'm going first with my milk. And then I'll be adding in my egg. I'm going to mix this very well to properly combine everything together. Okay, I'll mix until everything is well combined. You can use your egg whisk. I'll be adding in my melted butter. I'm using half cup of melted butter. Don't worry, I'm going to list all the ingredients with the measurements in the description. Okay, so please check it out. All right. So guys, I'm still going to mix this and to combine the ingredients together. So guys, now I'm going to be adding in my sugar, and here is my 1 teaspoon. I'm going to be adding in 4 teaspoons of sugar because my banana is very ripe. Okay, and overripe bananas are very sweet. I won't be adding in more sugar. So but if you're a sweet tooth person, you can use more of the sugar, or you can just reduce the sugar that you use. Okay. I'm going to mix this to combine everything together, okay? So guys, I'm going to set this aside now, and then in another bowl I'm going to be mixing in my dried ingredients. So here is my bowl. I'll be adding in my flour. So guys, for this recipe I use 2 cups of flour, and now I'll be adding in 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So I'm going to mix everything until all the ingredients here are well combined, okay? So now I'm going to be adding the dry ingredients to my wet ingredients, but I'll be doing it gradually. I won't be adding everything, right? So guys, here is the pan. I'm going to also wash everything so that the water will be gone. And now I'll be adding in my butter inside. And I'll be adjusting the quantity because of So now guys, I'm going to top it up with some bananas, right? Because you're making a classic banana bread, I'm topping it up with some bananas. If you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed, please subscribe and don't forget to share this video and do all that good stuff. So now I'm going to bake this for 50 minutes at 180. And here it is, our classic banana bread is ready. See guys, this banana bread is delicious. Like always share my video